Alright, this is my 1998 740i, having a couple of issues, funny noise in my engine. Hopefully somebody can help me out once they hear the noises. Turn on the lights so everybody can see, excuse me. Once I start the car, let me start it up again. No engine so far as the ones that I have. Starts up kind of starts up okay. Starts getting a little shaky. And starts slowly heading down a little bit. Sounds like it's going to cut off. And the engine's starting to sounds like engine noise in this area. Don't know where it could be coming from. Got enough light to see. It's like somewhere in here. I have no idea. Engine slightly knocking, shaking, fine. Excuse me. And a little noise, hissing noise coming from somewhere over here. Don't know. I don't know what's going on. Hopefully somebody can hear the noise and give me a little feedback.